annual make of the whirlwind entry by JCA President Billy Haven into the Cricket West Indies presidency race and an almost immediate whirlwind exit from the race. This must be another world record. The fastest man ever in and out of a presidency race. But it was always a mystery that Billy Haven was putting himself up for the leadership of West Indies cricket after being such an invisible and ineffective non-force in Jamaican cricket for so long. But then again, competence and performance are not words that are relevant to West Indies cricket these days. When it comes to the administration of regional cricket, it's more about who know who or who like who than any performance-related principle. Anyway, Mr. Haven did not get the support he needed to be president, and that might very well be poetic justice or retribution. After Mr. Haven and his Jamaican administration did not support the previous president and fellow Jamaican, Dave Cameron, in his bid for re-election, so obviously, God not sleep. And for that we say, thank heaven.